What's up, guys? Welcome back. Johnny here, and in today's video I want to show you my passive income streams for this year 2022. Now, I've made some of these videos in the past and they've done really well. Unfortunately, I did delete a few of those videos in the past, so let's start fresh with this one. Now, as you can see, in January, I made around $28.43. Now, my goal was $25. As you can see on the chart, I want to do a 40% increase every month until the end of the year to get to $1,000 a month goal. Now, I have 6 that are currently making me money right now every single month. Now, it took some time and a lot of effort, but I'm able to make some money passively now through those efforts. Now, if you want to learn how to make your money make you more money, or how to use your money to make more money, then you've come to the right place. I love passive income. Now, in January, I made income off of my stock dividends, cashback rewards, my podcast, and my second round vintage. Now, a lot of these I've had for quite some time. Last year I made $1,000 year goal, and I made about $890 for the year. So it is possible to make $1,000 in passive income every year and more if you want to put in the effort. So as you can see, for January, I made $28.43 with a goal of 25, so that was not a bad start. It was a really good start. Now, I also put down here for my Social Blade estimates, if I was monetized, I'd make anywhere from a quarter to $1 for that month. Now, some key happenings for January was Christmas spending, which helped give me $12 back for cash. And my new business, which helped me give me about $15. Now, I have taken into account not only sales, cost of goods, taxes, price to ship, cost for material, time, all those things, and was able to come up with a profit for the month. So it was only about $15 for that month. Now, in February, we amped up just a little bit more. We ramped up, got 20 cents in dividends. That was about the same. Amazon affiliates, nothing, and crypto staking, nothing. That's going to come a little later in the video. But I made $9.89 in cash back, just buying normal everyday items with my Quicksilver card, my Walmart card. They both offer 3% cash back, so that was awesome. My podcast made another 51 cents, which is just great. And I made $80 profit for my second round vintage business. For a total of $90.60, which was about triple what my goal was for the month of February. Social Blade was looking at $1 to $42 for the month if monetized, which is great. They show you how to do that. Key happenings for that month was income tax and sales. Now, I'm going to make this video slightly long because we're going to go over 5 months, but as we go, we're going to do monthly updates on this, and we're going to do them every month around the 10th to 15th of the month to showcase all of my passive income. And later on, as the videos begin to get shorter, I will include more insight and useful tips, information, screenshots, and stuff like that for you as we go, because there's nothing like having the proof in front of you. And I do have proof. I have screenshots, but again, this is just the first video and the rundown of what's happening to get us up to June. So moving into March, I made 75 cents in dividends, $5 on Amazon affiliates. Now, I've made money on Amazon affiliates before. I believe last year I made about $35. Now, it is a process, and I did not have as many followers or on as many platforms as I am now. So I'm hoping to really ramp up on the Amazon affiliates and make more money now in the future. But that $5 was due to my first official sell this year of Audible, which is a great platform. And if you look below this video, you'll see a bunch of links to books that I like to read and recommend to new investors, as well as my equipment and things like that. That's how I make money through my affiliate Amazon, through Amazon. So made 29-cent cash back. Didn't do too much spinning in March, which was okay. I didn't mind it because I saved money. Podcast made another 66 cents, which is great. If you haven't checked out the podcast, it's Johnny Insignius IFB for investing for beginners. Check that out. Made $44 on second round vintage, which gave us a total of $50.70, which we barely beat the $49 estimate. So, moving on to the Social Blade, I was at $2 to $65 estimated for March. April, 37 cents in April, which was just fantastic. In dividends, the crypto staking is not quite there, but I have been doing research on it now in April. No sells for Amazon affiliates. Cashback rewards was $4.33, so I did some light spending around that time. Podcast, I made almost a full dollar on my podcast by simply uploading and talking about tips to save time, save money, and help you just invest more wisely. So that month for April, I made $226 in profit, guys. It was around $530 in sales, minus about $50 in cost of goods, minus some other expenses as well. It came out to about $226 in profit, which gave us $231. So we are way over our $69 goal for April. I couldn't be happier about that. Our Social Blade is saying about $3 to almost $100 a month if we were monetized. Big sales for second round vintage, and my credit card was the major happenings for April. And guys, if you like this, please smash that like button and subscribe. I have tons of content like this, things that are helpful, things that are useful, advice, tips, and a lot of other things in between. So definitely subscribe to the channel if you like that kind of stuff. So moving on to May, this is as far as we are at the moment for the year of 2020. Stock dividends, we're at 49 cents for May, and crypto staking is actually at 7 cents. I have a video that talks about crypto staking, and if you want me to talk to you more about that in the future, drop a comment below and I could tell you more about how you could use your money to stake crypto to get rewards as more crypto or actual cash to pay out. So Amazon affiliates, I made $1.52. This was a combination of 3 sales. One was a book, The Intelligent Investor. Another one was some weird thing I've never heard of. It must have been just a click and then moved on and bought something else. And then I believe I sold a small ebook through the through Amazon affiliates. So it was $1.52. Cashback rewards. Now I've been doing a lot of this kind of in research and information on how you can use your credit cards to churn more money. So I've actually been able to put a lot of my utility bills, car payments, phone payments, and I'm trying to get my rent now to my credit card. If I spend $2,000 in bills, why not get 3% back on $2,000 every month? You know, that could be around $60 a month just from credit card rewards. So my podcast made $1.15. This is amazing. This is the first time I've ever got above $1.15. As you can see, I started at 35 cents, 50 cents, 66 cents, 93 cents, and now $1.15. So it's just amazing how when you make an income or you start like planting seeds that are investments, they start to compound and multiply and begin to show and pay for themselves. So I made $1.15 for that. And I made $150 in profit for second round vintage. Now, it's a very round number, but that is exactly what it was. It was like 151.03 cents. So that is just amazing. Which gives us a total of $163, which just means that I am consistently making money across the board and slowly like kind of going up and down like the stock market. But my goal was $96, and I did beat that. I almost doubled it. For Social Blade, it's saying that I'm at $7 to $114. And a lot of my happenings and influence for me was a few affiliate marketing sales, definitely my business sales, and some dividends. And my podcast played a huge role for that extra dollar right there. So moving forward, guys, for the year, in 5 months, I've already made $2 in dividends, which I'm hoping to make about $10 a month in dividends on that pretty soon. Not just a year, but a month. And that's substantially increased. If you want to see my dividend calendar payout for this year, I'm going to make a video about it. So smash the like button or put dividend calendar below so I know you're still watching. But I'm going to make one of those. It's already made. I just have to make the video. And it shows you every single stock that pays dividends every single month or quarter, all of them, how much I get paid every month from those dividends, and how it's starting to increase. I just hit the dollar mark for June, so let's just say that. From June to December, we have a long way to go. Crypto staking, I made 7 cents. Now, this was probably toward the middle of the month, toward probably like the 12th of May. So if I do some simple math, I'd probably get around 20 cents a month. Moving forward, if I did not add any more money, I'd like to get this to probably about $5 to $10 a month in rewards, which would I think be very beneficial along with my dividends. That put me about $20 to $25 a month just on dividends and reward staking. Amazon affiliates, I'm up $6.52 for the year. I'd like to get that up further, probably into the $100 mark. I think that'd be pretty fantastic, and I know I can do that. That's a realistic goal. Cashback rewards, I did briefly talk about that a second ago. We have $37.47 for the year, and I'd like to see this to get anywhere from like $60 to $100 in rewards every single month, which would put us roughly about 150 total for 120, 150 total every month, just starting from there. Podcasts already earned me $3.60 for the year. I'd like to see this about $25 to $50 a month. I could easily see that could happen. It might not be this year, but maybe next year. If I get to $5 a month this year, I'd be pretty happy. But if I can get it to the $25 or $50 mark, that would give us at least the $200 we would need to start getting closer to that $1,000 mark. Second round vintage, we're up $515 in pure profit. We're about $1,200 or $1,400 in sales. I'd like to see this get up to right around $500 a month in profit. That I think would be amazing, and I know we can do it with the inventory, the money that we're increasing in our bank account to be able to buy that inventory, and slowly increasing our knowledge on what sells and what don't sell is very important as well. With the combination of the $500 and close to $200, $300, that would give us a total of right around $700 to $800 for the month. My ebook, I just put out an ebook. It's $2.99 and I get 70% of the commission. I believe it's right around like $1.92, almost $2 every time I sell a book. I'd like to get my ebook probably, or other several ebooks probably up to about a $25 to $50 mark every month. But right now, as you can see, I haven't made any sales. When I first started, I made probably about $10 last year, but there hasn't been a whole lot of growth. I took the book down, re-edited it, revamped it, made it a little longer, better, and more mobile friendly. So hopefully with all those happening, I will be able to start seeing some sales with that ebook. Now, YouTube revenue, I've been chasing for quite some time. It's actually been about 3 years of a journey for YouTube revenue. I've almost got it a few times, and then if you do not maintain it, they will take it away. You need 4,000 watch hours a year, like a 365-day rolling period. So from here to 365 days previously needs to be 4K. Right now I'm sitting at about 2.5K hours, so I'm at about 1,500 hours short. I believe I'll hit that right around July and hopefully get reviewed by August, and then hopefully by the time it's reviewed, start making some money in September. If everything's set, it's saying that I can make around $85 to $1.5 thousand on YouTube just with the standings I have now. But in order to get monetized in August, I need more viewers, more hours, and more subscribers to substantially increase this number. I'd like to see YouTube make me around $1,000 a month, which can be extremely realistic, but it takes a lot of time and a lot of work. Now, with passive income, you need to understand that it does take effort to get it started, but once it's started, then it's really easy to maintain or to keep going for a long amount of time. If you don't know what passive income is, it means to do a small amount of work to see gains. So yes, there is work involved, but at the same time, once it's set up, it's less work in the long run. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if I keep up my progress the way I am, I'll make literally around $3,500 all online this year alone, with the grand scheme of things to make $1,000 every month by the end of this year. So that'll give me a great start for 2023 to get to that 4K a month mark and quit my job forever. Hope you guys enjoyed. It's been a long video, but it was very informative. Hope you enjoyed it again. Smash the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.